Good evening everyone. Again welcome to Ranveer Foundation classes. Now today in this session we are seeing about parallel connection. In the last session we have seen the series connection and now we are seeing the parallel connection and its derivation. So as you can see here, it is a parallel connection because in parallel connection the voltage will be same. As you can see here, voltage is same in all the cases. The current is dividing here. So the current is different. See, current here I is dividing into I1, I2 and I3. Whereas in series the current was not dividing. Here the current is dividing. So whatever it is different or whatever it is dividing, that we need to take the formula. In series connection we have taken V formula, but here we are taking the current formula because the current is dividing here. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now from the triangle, what is the formula for I? Close the I here. I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V by R equivalent, that is equal to next I1. So what is in I1? What is in I1? Same, V by this R1, I2 V by R2, I3 V by R3. So in all the cases we can see V common is there. Take V common and cancel V and V. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Whereas in series we got R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But in parallel we will get 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3.